is Doris. Today I'm going to show you how to play phonics checkers. This board game is focused on practicing s and sh sounds. First of all, students work in pairs. Each student has 4 chips. They put their chips like this. The one who reaches the other side wins the game. You can move one step to the box before you or next to you, even behind you if necessary. You can't move it this way. But if there's one chip in between, you can hop. Like you can hop. Or like this, you can hop. Remember to read the word you are at and the word you are moving to. For example, if I'm going to move this chip, I have to read fish and the word I'm moving to, like shell, so that I can stop. Alright, here we go. Seek, sell. Short, wish. Fish, sat. Kiss, sort. Miss, ship. Sheep, shell. Ship, kiss. Sort, miss. Sat, sheep. Shell, fish. Sell, sort. Mass, sell. Shop, sit. Wish, shop. Sit, short. Sell, seek. Winner.